I didn't see you then. Hello, I'm Bob Ross. And today, we're going to be doing another painting. So I invite you to get your colors and paint with me. Let me talk to you about what colors we are using. We're using Yelling Yellow, Optimus Prime Orange, and last but not least, our friend, Really Red. And before we start painting, I want to tell you about our canvas today. It looks a little interesting. So, since quarantine has happened, as you may know, I ran out of canvases from stress painting. So, I decided to take 4 lined papers, tape them together, and it's good as new. Better than ever. And since we are in nature, I decided to dump it to hold the sucker down. So now, let's get painting. Oh, but before I forget, this canvas paper looks a bit bland. So we're going to change that and add some water, because that makes the painting look cool. That's better. Now we're going to take our paintbrush and dip it in really red. And then after you move on there, you're just going to swipe across all the other colors and make a little smiley face, happy face circle. Keep doing that. Now after that, you're going to paint some stuff. A rainbow. And after you do that, you just repeat the process and repeat it. And then if you want, just slap your whole plate on there. But I'm doing it easy. And as you can see, that water added a lot of depth. Oh damn, I messed up. But that's okay, because we are in the learning process. Now, we're gonna wash our brushes. And don't worry, if you're in nature and you don't have anything to wash your brushes with, use what's around you. Just beat the devil out of it. Wow, it's clean. And now, since we are done with our brush, we will no longer need it. Because next, we're improvising. You take your colors, take your hand, lightly spread it across the canvas. Lightly now, and your canvas may look a little weird, but don't worry, that's the art process. Now, let's sign the little rascal. As you can see my initial down there. You may not be able to see it, but it's there. Now, we're just gonna wash our hands. Oh snap, I'm wet. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram or TikTok, because I'd love to see your wonderful drawings. Now once again, stay tuned for another painting with me, Bob Ross.